Hello everyone, this is Rahul Jakaria from Sharekhan. Welcome back to exciting 3R actionable stock updates. 3R basically means right sector, right quality and right valuation. These are our investment ideas. Today we have an update on Bajaj Holding and Investments. Our analyst maintains buy rating on Bajaj Holding and Investment with a price target of Rs 10,181. The company remains a key beneficiary of strong growth across its group companies, and a healthy outlook over medium to long term will likely act as a positive trigger for the stock performing going ahead. The performance largely depends upon the performance of its two key associate companies, Bajaj Finserv and Bajaj Auto, which are ultimately driving the valuation. The business outlook continues to remain for Bajaj Finserv and Bajaj Auto. The stock has underperformed the broader indices in last 12 months. Next we cover Welspun Living Ltd. Our analyst maintains buy rating on Welspun Living with an unchanged price target of Rs 181. India maintains its strong position in home textile exports to the US, with exports for bedsheet and terry towels growing by 60% and 70% year-on-year, respectively in April 2024. Management targets revenue of Rs 15,000 crore by FY27, with emerging businesses expected to clock 30% CAGR over FY24 to FY27. Core home textile business to grow by 10 to 15%. EBITDA margin to remain at 15% in the near term. However, the scale-up of emerging business such as global brands and flooring business will provide a margin uptick in the medium to long run. Improving outlook of key export markets and attractive valuation at 18 times its FY25 and 15 times FY26 EPS will make Welspun a strong play in the home textile space. Last we covered Tech Mahindra. Our analyst has upgraded Tech Mahindra to buy with a price target of Rs 1,715 to factor business recovery on account of a well-defined and articulated roadmap for FY27, supported by gradually receding headwinds and leveraging of the group's synergies and ecosystem. The company's strategy to diversify its portfolio, lessen reliance on the CME vertical, and pursue growth opportunities in other key sectors are step in the right direction and should offset the persisting weakness in the communication vertical while emerging as credible competitor in other verticals, especially financial services. Further, the company's objective to attain group synergy by focusing on integrating technology, enhancing collaboration with auto and financial service business to deliver high-quality tech solutions, and leveraging global ecosystem partnership would aid in supporting its business. At current market price, the stock trades at 27.5 times its FY25 and 20.3 times its FY26 EPS.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.